Hi you guys, welcome to my grocery haul video for this week. I just picked up all of our groceries from Walmart and I am going to share with you everything we got and also the meal plan that we're planning on having this week, all of our dinners. So I've been using the crock pot a lot lately. I made a video last week of all of our crock pot recipes and they were all really good. So I'm going to keep using the crock pot because it's so easy and convenient and everything is delicious. So I have lots of crock pot meals and some other meals that I'll share with you as well. I got all these groceries for $202 this week. I like to keep my grocery budget at $200 to feed my family of four, me and my husband and two boys. So $202 this week, got a ton of stuff, stocked up on a bunch of chicken. So I'll share with you everything we got. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Let me show you everything we're having for the week. All right, so here are all of the groceries, tons of stuff for the week. We are set. I only do one grocery pickup, one grocery shopping per week. So this is everything we're having. I'll start over on this side, have all of our fruits and veggies over here. Bunch of bananas, bunch of apples. We eat a lot of apples and bananas. Avocados. I love avocados with eggs in the morning. And also with chicken and stuff. So lots of avocados, some baby carrots that I put in the boys' lunches, broccoli. We do broccoli every week. Strawberries. These are also for the boys' lunches that I pack for school for them. I got 2 bell peppers. I'm going to do a crock pot chicken fajitas. So bell peppers, onion back here for that. Got croutons because I love salads and love croutons on my salad. A gallon of whole milk, and then we go through 2 almond milks. This is the unsweetened, 30 calories per serving. I get a lot of the Great Value brand, as you can tell. It's way cheaper and it's just as good as most of the name brands. So I got a cream of mushroom and a cream of chicken. It's going to be for a dinner dish. Lots of shredded cheese. We go through quite a bit of cheese. Benjamin loves quesadillas, so lots of cheese, put it on our eggs. Got some brown sugar. Zachary, my 5-year-old, he has been doing oatmeal, and we sprinkle in a little bit of brown sugar in the old-fashioned oats to give it a little sweetness to it. I got some lettuce for salads. We're gonna do bratwurst for dinner one night, my husband wanted, so we have these. And then I have a big thing of ground turkey that I will cook up. I'm gonna prep some taco meat. I like to cook it all up, add in the taco seasoning, and then portion it into containers, freeze it, and then it's ready to go for a super quick dinner. We have really busy nights right now. The boys started baseball, so quick dinners is really what we need for our weeknights now. Big thing of peanut butter. Benjamin loves peanut butter sandwiches. Some green tea for my husband and I. We don't drink coffee, but we drink green tea, and it is our favorite. I got sour cream for one of my dinner recipes. This one down here is cottage cheese, one of my favorite snacks, and also my 6-year-old's favorite snack right now. He's like eating all of it. Some butter to have in the fridge. 2 things of vanilla Greek yogurt. Our favorite snack, pistachios. I got an Asian chopped salad. It'll be for dinner one night. I'll just add in chicken. But this dressing is really, really good on this one. And it's been a while since I've gotten this collagen. I switched to a different one, and I've noticed that my nails have been much thinner than they always were when I used this collagen. So it's not expensive at all. This whole thing is a little over $12. And it is, I think it's 30 servings in here. I'm not sure. So a month, so $12, and it's my favorite, and I think it works the best. Like, as you can tell, my nails are not like what they used to be. So hoping that this collagen helps get me back on track. Tortillas for Benjamin's quesadillas. Hot dog buns for the night that we have bratwurst. I'm going to do a meatball dish this week. So this big bag of meatballs. And also my kids love spaghetti and meatballs. They've been on a meatball kick lately. This brown and serve maple flavored sausage that we love for breakfast. I have it along with the boys, so we go through quite a bit of that. This is the bread that Benjamin likes for his peanut butter sandwiches that I pack for school for him. I have this pineapple mango drink enhancer. It's really delicious. Been using a ton of it lately. And then this is another drink enhancer, mixed berry. This one has electrolytes and lots of B vitamins. So this stuff is so good. It makes drinking water like so easy. 2 18 packs of eggs. We go through a ton of eggs. Some old-fashioned oats. Zachary's been doing a lot of oats lately, and I actually got the smaller canister. I meant to get the bigger one. So this will still last a couple weeks, but I usually like to get the bigger one, but I goofed on that. 2 boxes of Cheerios. If you've been around my channel, you know I always buy 2 at a time, so usually like every other week. But on the app, the Walmart app, if I buy 2, I can clip a coupon for $1. So I always get 2 and have it stocked up. And then 2 packs of chicken. We go through a lot of chicken. So we'll grill 1 pack up for sandwiches and salads. And then I'm going to use another pack for some crock pot and casserole recipes. So these are all of the groceries. And then I have the meal plan that we're planning on having written out here. So on Sunday, we're going to do bratwurst. Monday, I'm going to do the crock pot chicken fajitas. We're going to do tacos on Tuesday, so that's super quick and easy. Wednesday, I'm going to do a crock pot Ritz chicken recipe that I found on the Six Sisters website. They have a website, also a YouTube channel, and their recipes are really good. So I'm going to give that recipe a try. I'm going to do the Asian salad with chicken Thursday. I'm going to do another crock pot on Friday, crock pot enchilada meatballs. And then Saturday, I already have some tortellini. So I'm going to do an Alfredo tortellini. We'll add in broccoli and chicken to that. So these are the dinners. These are all of the groceries that we have. This is going to last us all week. So I hope you enjoyed this grocery haul. I hope it gave you some ideas on what to make for dinner, for your meal plan. And I hope that you have a really great rest of your day today. Make sure you subscribe if you are new, and I will see you all in my next video.